Learning Mandarin can be challenging for kids, but with the right strategies, they can overcome resistance and thrive. First, understand your child's emotions and needs. Identify the source of their frustration, such as the complexity of Mandarin's characters or tones. Listen actively by asking open-ended questions to understand their struggles, which fosters a supportive environment. Second, create a stress-free learning environment. Make learning fun by incorporating games, songs, and interactive activities. For example, teach Mandarin songs like Twinkle, Twinkle Little Star in Chinese, or play language games. Third, focus on effort, not just results. Shift the focus from grades to effort and progress. Celebrate small wins, like mastering 5 new characters, and praise their consistent effort, helping them build confidence and a growth mindset. Last but not least, utilize external resources. Use language apps for vocabulary building or hire a private tutor for personalized lessons. Consider Mandarin immersion experiences or online lessons with native-speaking teachers for practical exposure and support. If you are interested in having your kid learn Chinese online, sign up for a free trial class by leaving a comment below, and we will contact you as soon as possible.